The calves eat, they have to. It's a pretty interesting feeding technique. They, because they can't suckle, their mouths are built for expanding, filter feeding. What happens is the calf will start bumping into mom whenever it gets hungry. And mom will have a contraction in her mammary glands, and she'll push out a 5-gallon block of yogurt. You can pick it up with your hand. It's semi-solid. It has to be because it would emulsify if it came out in a liquid form. The calf wouldn't get a whole lot of it. They say it's bright pink color of the milk, and that's the color of the krill that mom eats. So, you know, mom is burning the candle at both ends. She's not eating the entire time she's here, but she's producing milk and swimming, keeping that calf alive. When they're born, calves can't breathe. They have to be pushed up to the surface by mom. So what she'll do is either put her calf on her head, or she'll flip on her back, fold up her pec fins, and cradle the calf and bring the calf on her stomach up to the surface until the calf gets 2 or 3 breaths, and then she'll slowly immerse the calf in the water, in and out until the calf learns how to hold its breath. They were, you know, they believe, scientists, they were once on land, if you believe in evolution. Land-worldly fur-bearing mammals. There is a definitive configuration of 5 finger bones at the base of the pectoral fin. Those pectoral fins are actually now 15 feet long. In fact, that is their name. The Latin name for humpback whales is Dave actually knows it better than me, but Novea longiana, something like that. It's kind of a translation, but it basically means, yeah, long-winged New Englander. The Gaptera longiana.
Yeah, blue light, or blue light.
Dave knows persona non grata. He's an expert at that in Latin. The signs are always put out when he gets to the door.
Poor Dave.
I would say Dave sounds pretty like much like an interesting character.
So mom is right underneath the calf. She's going to come up here pretty quick. There's most likely there's what's called an escort, and it's a male. It's not the dad. What he is it's a male that's hanging around because about 8 to 12% of females go back into estrus while they're lactating. So she'll have a calf and she'll actually mate again and come back in about 11 and a half months. Gestation is 11 and a half months. And have another calf. And they wean these calves at about a year. So she may bring the calf back with her, she may not. Most likely the calf will stay up in Alaskan waters. These whales have incredibly large brains, about 25 pounds. That's what their brains weigh, which is pretty amazing. And the scientists say the whale brain, both in the odontocetes as well as mystices, are very similar to human brains. Half of the brain, the cerebral cortex as well as the neocortex, are highly convoluted. So there are a lot of tucks and rolls in there. So that's area for creative thought. You know, that's the side of the brain that's creative thought comes from. So they're thinking they have a capacity for that. So who knows? They have a pretty complex communication. Whales sing mostly only the male.
Did you get that?
Yeah, I think I got a little bit of it.
Oh my gosh! Wow.
Holy snuggles.
Oh, that was worth the wait.
That was the escort that breached.
Oh.
You guys just got the whale watch of the century right there.
Wow.
Coming right at us. There's the calf. There's that. I was just telling you that male's hanging around seeing if she's going to go back and heat. And he's showing off. He's going to be the guy, lucky guy if she does, for sure. That's a lot of water displacement. In fact, folks, you see all that white around where the whale landed? That's mostly sea lice and barnacles. When the whales come here, that sea lice start to die. And they lose about 300 pounds of sea lice from the warmer Hawaiian waters. That's why you'll get schools of tuna hanging around these whales. When they breach like that, it's a feeding frenzy. Wow, that was unreal. Not sure if anybody got that, but you could probably sell that to a calendar company and pay for your vacation if you did. The breach is the rarest of all shots. All right, guys, she's moving off. We're only allowed 10 minutes on a mother calf, so we're gonna mosey along here. That was pretty incredible, though.
I hope they
Wow.
got it.
Doesn't get better than that, guys. That's.
Wow, look
Sure,
at
this boat is all the way out here just for whale watching. We just happen to pass by those on the way back. There's still plenty of ground to cover, so like I said, I guess those mai tais are working.
Wow. That was amazing. Did you see it? Did you see it at all?
I got most of it.
Oh, pack whale.
But this is not what I got. This is the very beginning. This is the very beginning of my video.
That's great. I hope you got it.
Yeah, I got it in that direction at least.